In this video, you'll learn how to change your password on Mailchimp. This process will help you maintain the security of your account by updating your login credentials. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage. You can do this by entering the URL into your web browser. Once the page loads completely, you should see the Mailchimp dashboard displayed in front of you. This is the main interface where you can manage your account. Next, locate your profile icon. This is typically found in the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on this icon to reveal a menu. In this menu, select the option labeled Profile. This will direct you to your account settings. After that, look for the Change Password option in the profile settings. Clicking on this link will take you to a new screen where you can update your password. This step is crucial for enhancing your account security. Once you are on the password change screen, you will see a prompt to verify current password. Click on this option, which will lead you to the input fields necessary for the password change process. At this stage, it is important to have your current password ready for entry. Type in your current password into the designated field. This step is essential to confirm your identity before making any changes. Ensure that you enter it correctly to avoid any errors. After entering your current password, look for the next field labeled New Password. In the New Password field, type in your desired new password. Make sure that this password meets the security criteria set by Mailchimp, which usually includes a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters. After entering the new password, you will need to confirm it. Type your new password again in the Confirm New Password field. This confirmation ensures that you have not made any typographical errors. Finally, click on the Update button to save your changes. A confirmation message should appear, indicating that your password has been successfully updated. If you experience any issues, check your internet connection and ensure that your new password meets the required criteria. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.